welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So this video is about me redoing my room, redecorating my room. I have never really had a decorated room before. I usually just like throw some stuff on the wall and then just call it a day, but this video was dedicated to really giving my room a vibe. So I went on Pinterest and I looked at some inspiration. At this time when I was recording this, I was reading Midnight Sun. So if you read Midnight Sun, it's a Twilight book, so I hope y'all kind of get the vibe because that's really what was going through my head when I was reading it and building my room, and it's fantastic. I love it. I hope you guys love it too. I'm not gonna hold you guys too much, so let's get right into the video. I need lights. Boom, so now we have some lighting. Okay guys, my room doesn't inspire me to do anything. It probably just makes me procrastinate more than everything. So I have some pieces. I just ordered this thing to hold my jewelry. As you guys can see, my dresser area is a mess. I don't like the way it is. I just have a whole bunch of jewelry boxes. I don't have a jewelry organizer, so I'm working to get one of those that I actually like. But I just want to organize this whole space, get my room looking kind of cute. So yeah. What? Yeah. My idiot. Look at me. That was me. That's baby me. So this is what I'm going for. Like something like this. Wait, can you see my address? Oh, you cannot. Okay. So something like this I want to get for over on this side where all my jewelry is. Like all of that's just jewelry, and I'm just cleaning out this side, but all of that is jewelry because I just want like something, and it's $38 and it's $3 discount, so that's like what, $34? No, $35. So we're gonna add that to my cart, but we're gonna see if there's any more. Okay, just thinking about spending money is bothering me, so I'm not gonna do that. Maybe I'll order it next week, but whatever. I'm just gonna finish doing what I'm doing here, and you know, whatever. Okay, the vision is, right, I'm not gonna be able to like complete this in this video, but I want to be able to have like vinyls here. So it's either I put vinyls here or over my bed over there, and I put a mirror here. But the thing is, I already have like 2 other mirrors in my room, but like I can have another thing to look at myself with. Like, why not? I can take this down and I can put stuff here. Like this would be gone too. Maybe I'll move this over there. Maybe here. So I can see it all the time. Yeah, and I can put like a second one here. And then like 2 more. Yeah? I think that's what we're gonna go with. There's bear coin in here. Don't worry, I got it. Alright guys, so disclaimer. I don't understand why I didn't see this, but this video was recorded within like 2 months. In clips that I'm only wearing the same sweatpants. I'm wearing them now. I'm not just wearing the same sweatpants every day, and if I did, it's none of your business. My package came in. I swear I had a scissors up here. Don't tell me I don't have a scissors up here. I have a scissors. Okay. So my package came in for my jewelry, so I don't have to, so I can organize that right now. I also went to Walmart and I bought this. It's for your makeup, but babes, we're using this for my jewelry. I don't know. Hopefully it works out. If I don't like it, I'll just return it. I'm gonna keep this tag so I can be like, hey babes, I ordered it here. I don't know what happened. So Oh, I literally said I'm gonna keep that. Thank you. I'm like, ain't nothing wrong with it, but well, so let me open this package. Got it from Amazon. Okay, so I bought this to put my jewelry in. It's like a leaf. So it's like a golden leaf. It's cute. Don't mind my nails, please. I need to get them done. But yeah. Open this book. Oh, it's cute. It's like the size of my hand. It's okay. And now it's cute. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and clean all of this off and then we'll be back. Oh my god, that is disgusting. Thanks to wash. I can put Lysol on here, right? Okay, wait. Last time I put Lysol on my brother's thing, it messed his thing up. So let's do a little. I should have done a test. It's been like maybe like a few 20 minutes. My camera died and then I had to charge it or whatever. But guess what? I literally just bought a new SD card. Tell me why. I was like, do I have 3? Do I already have 3? I was like, no, I only have 2. I can only find the 2. Babes, I had 3. So now I have 4. But you know what? The more the merrier, whatever. I'm not even that mad. So let me show you my progress. I really thought I had bare jewelry, but no, a lot of the stuff I had since I was like in middle school, not even like before that. So down here I have all my necklaces. I have like some bracelets, a choker, watch, some rings in here as well. And I have all my little earrings here. I have a gold set, like 3 gold sets in here that my mom had bought me, and I don't want to put them in there because they've always been in this, so I'm just keep it there. And then I have this. So all the rest of the stuff that's on my dresser needs to go, needs to be thrown out. I'm gonna let my mom take a pic of the jewelry that I don't like, because a lot of jewelry that I have is stuff that she does like and I don't, because we have very different styles. So now I just have to go and like take everything off my bed because my bed's a mess. But I'm just gonna put everything I want back on here and then take off, and then everything else just goes in the garbage or they're just reorganized, whatever. I just put my flipping graduation, but I feel like that doesn't match. Does it match? Do I like it? Do I even care? I'm gonna leave it there for now, but I don't know if I even care to have that there, so we'll see. Oh, the creator tickets! So throwback to when I went to go see Tyler the Creator. That was crazy. Who bought these tickets? And then this is my Harry Styles tickets. So these are my my ID cards for middle school and high school. Look at baby old me. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. I was so adorable. I was still wearing baubles in grade 7. Like, my mom was still doing my hair in grade 7. Grade 10 was not a good picture at all. Grade 9 was horrible. Oh no, babe. Grade 11 I did what I had to do. Grade 11 I was giving. Look, it's a really dark photo and I hate it. But I hate this photo, but I looked so cute. I looked really cute. Just know that I looked cute. But I don't know why that looks so dark. Grade 8, I think that's when I started doing my own hair. I said, yeah, grade 8. I looked so skinny. Oh my god, I look like I was malnourished. Stop. Look at me. Look how skinny I was. Oh my gosh. Was I eating? Like, I was eating. I just was a picky eater. Bessie and Tessie? This is what we're looking like. This looks way better. It's not cluttered. There's my Ontario Scholar diploma, whatever. And then a little keychain that my friend's dad brought me from Paris. And I got my little gold stuff. And I got my little gold cat with Harry Styles and a happy face. My One Direction tickets with tickets behind it, my AirPods. And then I have like my deodorant and stuff. I just didn't want to get rid of it. Okay, so I just have to... My bed is a mess from this. I need to go ahead and clean all of that and, you know, everything else. But yeah, we're almost done. It is Friday. It's Good Friday. My parents went to church. I didn't feel like, you know, getting up. I didn't feel like getting up that early, so I was like, nah, babes. So I'm gonna go. We have a mission today. We have a little bit of a mission. It's a little bit of a mission, yeah. So I don't know if y'all can see, but up here is kind of a mess. It's very much a mess. I cleaned up below, and it's very cute, but I have all these purses up here. I have all these purses up here, and they need to come down. They need to be organized. They need to be put back up there. I'm tired of it looking like that. I can never get to any of the purses that I actually want to use because they're underneath everything. So that's what we're gonna do today. Period. So let me put music on. Let's do this.
I get your bag casually. It's no if I say so. It's green like when I say go. Hey, what you gonna do for a bank roll? You know, a lot of girls be thinking my songs are about them. This is not to get confused. This one's for you. Best I ever had.
I remember I got this. I begged my dad for a guitar. I was like, Daddy, I want a guitar, please, please, please. I begged my parents for it. They got me this guitar. I played a little bit. I practiced at home, but I ain't never used it again. Let me see if I can play a little tune. Ooh, wait, I can actually play something. It's a very off tune, but let's see. I can't do it because of my nails. I need to, like, maybe in the future I'll be like, hey babes, I want to learn how to use the guitar. But that's not gonna be today. I never had nobody show me all the things that you can show me in the special way I feel when you're on me. You'll always be together, baby. That's what she told me. Okay, so I ordered a new stand for over here. So yes, I just like organized it, but we're taking it down and we're putting this one because this one it's broken. And Dad, move your face. Yeah. And my dad is gonna build it for me and it's gonna be fantastic. So yeah. So we fixed it, we built it up, and it looks perfect. And then we're gonna put all my little stuff from that broken one into this one.
A nice color.
I'm about to finish my collection. I ordered the last one. I couldn't find it anywhere. It's cute. How does it look, Father?
Yeah, nice, very good.
Good? Looks better?
Yeah. Present it with that. The color, everything matched with the black and yeah.
It's very nice.
Where you take my piggy bank from?
It's not yours. See how you want to take it because it's full? Give me my money.
Angelica, this is mine.
No, it's not.
I want it back.
That's such a lot. You can get it back but without the change in it.
To go to...
The change is mine.
Good girl. Very good.
Oh my god. We've got Coco.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to